Review hub. Brand name, DUTRIEUX. Function, thermostatically operated, automatic curling. Material, plastic. Power cord tail assembly mode, 360 degrees rotatable. Power source, electric. Thermostat Adjustment Segments, others. Type, multifunctional curler/straightener. Material of thermal plate/bar, other. Commodity quality certification, CE, UL. Applicable hair, dry and wet. Min temperature, less than 80 degrees Celsius. Max temperature, 160 degrees Celsius. Temperature controller, thermostatic. Power, more than 100 W. Certification, RoHS CE. Number of pieces, combo. Hign-concerned chemical, none. Origin, Mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.